Question 7. The following all contain covalent bonds, which contain only single covalent bonds. So covalent bonds are the bonds found between the atoms in each of the molecules. Ammonia has the chemical formula NH3, where one nitrogen is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms. There is only a single covalent bond between every nitrogen and hydrogen atom because hydrogen only has one valence electron. 3 out of 5 of nitrogen's valence electrons will participate in the covalent bonds, leaving 2 electrons that are not involved. Therefore, it is true that in ammonia, all the bonds are single covalent bonds. For carbon dioxide, the chemical formula is CO2, where the carbon atom is bonded to 2 oxygen atoms. Carbon atom has 4 valence electrons in the outermost shell. Oxygen has 6. Therefore, oxygen requires 2 more additional electrons to fulfill the octet structure. Requiring 2 means it should contribute 2 electrons to the covalent bond to carbon, and carbon should also contribute 2 electrons into the covalent bond. Same for the other carbon-oxygen covalent bond. 4 valence electrons of carbon are all involved in the 2 covalent bonds, but for oxygen, there should be 4 electrons that are uninvolved in bonding because oxygen has 6 in the outermost shell. Therefore, we can see that there are 2 covalent bonds in this molecule, and each of them is actually a double bond. So carbon dioxide does not contain only single covalent bonds. Ethanol has a molecular formula of CH3COOH. From our knowledge in organic chemistry, we can draw out the simplified structure of ethanol as this. We see that there are all single covalent bonds except this specific bond between the carbon and the oxygen in the carboxylic acid group. So it is incorrect to say that ethanol contains only single covalent bonds. Therefore, only ammonia contains single covalent bonds, and B is the correct answer.